This lesson is about the area of a triangle and goes with 6th grade CPM, Chapter 5, Section 3, Lesson 3. Now, what we were doing in class is we were looking at different types of triangles and seeing that if we have a triangle and we have another triangle that's identical, like this one, we can rotate them and turn them together and have them turn into a polygon. And mine aren't exact because I'm accidentally resizing them as we go, but you can see that all of these triangles will form a polygon of some sort or another that we can quickly and easily find the area of. But why is that important? So let's look at one individually. Here we have two triangles, and you can see that I separated them, put them together. And I want to know the area of just this green triangle. Okay? What we were looking at in the previous lesson is that if we know the base and we know the height, we can find the area of this entire shape. But we only want one triangle, and that's why it's important. So what we can do is we can say that if, say, the base is 6 and the height is 3, we can do our base times height, which we know will be 6 times 3, which is 18 units squared. But we're only looking for that green triangle, which is one of the two pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide it by 2, and we'll see that 9 square units is the area of one of the triangles. Okay? The other triangle, let's say it's a red triangle, is also 9 units squared. Okay? So the reason that we're dividing it by 2 is because we have the two triangles that are going into the parallelogram, and then we're dividing it by 2. You can also multiply it by 1/2. So we can say that the area of a triangle is the same as half of, remember of means to multiply, the base times height, or we can say it's base times height divided by 2, and that's the same thing, just arranged differently. So use that to try to solve this next problem. If we have a triangle and we know that the length of one side is 5 feet and the length of another side is 3 feet, please find the area of the triangle and make sure that you write the area formula first. When I did it, I started with my formula, the area of a triangle, and I just drew a quick triangle, even though it looks like an A here, is base times height over 2. Once again, it's the same as 1/2 base times height. My base is 5, my height is 3, and I'm dividing by 2. 5 times 3 gives me 15 over 2, which gives me 7.5 square feet.